Hey guys, привет! How are you? So we already know how to greet each other in the Russian language. And today we are going to find out how to ask question how are you in the Russian language and how to answer this question. So let's start. There are several ways to ask question how are you in the Russian language. But I would like to tell you the most common one. It sounds like this. Как дела?
Ну, как дела?
Как дела? And faster. Как дела? Как дела?
Здравствуйте, как дела?
And there are several ways to respond this question. For example, if you are feeling great, we can answer like this. Отлично. Отлично. Faster. Отлично. Отлично.
Отлично.
If you are feeling wonderful, we can use this word. Прекрасно. Прекрасно. One more time. Прекрасно. And faster. Прекрасно. Прекрасно.
Прекрасно, Ваша Светлость. Прекрасно, Марья Сергеевна.
If you are feeling well, you can answer using this word. Хорошо. Хорошо. Faster. Хорошо. Хорошо.
Спасибо, хорошо.
If you're feeling okay, fine, you can use these words. Нормально. Нормально. Нормально.
Нормально.
And неплохо. Неплохо.
Спасибо. Неплохо. Неплохо.
Faster. Нормально. Неплохо. If for some reason you're feeling bad, you can use this one. Плохо. Плохо. And faster. Плохо.
Плохо.
And there is one more way to answer question как дела using phrase so-so. In Russian, we can say like this. Так себе. Так себе. And faster. Так себе.
Хорошо или так себе?
Okay, so these are the basic answers on question как дела. So tell me please, guys, как дела? I hope you are doing отлично. And I look forward to your like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Write me down which topics would you like to discuss and which phrases would you like to hear in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day and bye. Bye bye.